Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick? You cannot find these on the official App Store. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I will show you a secret app store with the best hidden applications for your device. First, we need to get the Downloader app. Go to the search icon on your Fire TV home screen. Type in the letter D and select Downloader. Click Download to install this orange icon app. Before opening it, we must enable developer options. Go to your Fire TV settings, select My Fire TV and click on About. Click the name of your Fire TV stick 7 to 10 times. A message at the bottom will say you are now a developer. Back out one step and open developer options. Turn on ADB debugging. Click Install Unknown Apps and turn on Downloader. This allows us to sideload applications. To get the ultimate setup, scroll down and select Kodi. Click the blue button to download and install it. Open Kodi from your home screen and allow access. Click the settings gear icon. Go to System and select Add-ons. Turn on Unknown Sources and click Yes. Go back and open File Manager, click Add Source and select the text field. Type in the URL exactly as shown on the screen. Type http://digs1.me/digs repo. Click OK and give it a name. I have mentioned the link in description box. Go back to the Kodi home screen and click Add-ons. Click the zip icon. Look for the file you named Digs and select the zip file. Wait for the notification that it is installed. Click Install from Repository and select Digs. Go to Program Add-ons and select Chef Wizard. Click Install and wait for the download meter to finish. Click Open and select Build. Choose the first build and click Continue to let it load. Click OK to force close Kodi once it finishes. To run all these applications smoothly, you should use NordVPN on your device. This keeps your streaming private and lag-free. You can find the installation link mentioned in the description and comments. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Make sure to share this video with a friend. See you in the next one.